Hello everyone, welcome to the reactjs tutorial. Today the topic we are going to cover is event handling. Till now the topics that we covered are like what is React, how we can install it, what are the components, how we can create the components, how we can create the functions, how we can handle the events, how we can pass the data from parent component to the child component using props and all, right? So today the topic that we are going to discuss is how you can handle the conditions in React. Okay. So it is as simple as we handle conditions in any other programming language. Simple, the concept of if else you can use, the concept of select case, switch case you can use. Alright. So for that, let me create a component with the name voting.js. Alright. So what I want that this component will come with the prop username and age. And based on that, you are going to show that the person is eligible to vote or not. So just for the demo purpose, let us take return fragment. If I want to show anything, h1 notification. That's it. And now I want to use this voting component inside my app component. So first I need to import it over here. Alright. And the other thing VS Code will do it for me. So I will directly type voting and you can see over here when I press enter, it will automatically import the thing. That's it. Save it. I already started the server to save our time. So let us open Google Chrome and refresh the page. So this is how the voting component is came like this. Okay. Now what I want that the user will pass two things from here. Okay. User will pass two things as a prop. First is what? Username, say John. And the second one is age is equal to, I want integer, so I'm going to use the curly brackets 16. And one more time I want to use the same component. This time I will give the name Ron and the age say 26. So what I am trying to do, if the age of the person is less than 18, then he is not eligible to vote. If the age of a person is greater than 18 or equal to 18, then he or she is eligible to vote. Okay. So the data I am passing by using the username and age, that will come inside my props. So over here, let us take props and let us make a message where message is equal to, let me create a default message that you are not eligible to vote. Okay. You are not eligible to vote. Fine. Now I will check what that if props dot age is what greater than or equal to 18. At that time, what I want that change the message value to you are eligible to vote. Alright. And over here, simply I just want to give in H2 that the name of the person which is inside props dot username and the value of the thing message. Okay. Let us save it. So, John, you are not eligible to vote. Ron, you are eligible to vote. These are the two things. So, this is the first way how I can do the thing. Secondly, I have the concept of conditional operator. I hope all of you know that one, that any operator like this, where here we have the condition. This section will run when the condition is true and this section will run when the condition is false. Right? So I'm going to use the conditional operator. For that, what is our condition? Condition is props dot age is greater than or equal to 18. Means the condition is true. Okay. So this one, the section that will run after this question mark and before this colon is the one which is for the condition true. Okay. So for true, let us do the same thing, and you can concatenate the same with the message also if you want to do the same. And over here inside the second thing, let us give h2, and you are not eligible to vote. Okay. And sorry, both are h2 not h1. And h2. So save it and let us check now. Refresh the page. John, you are not eligible to vote. This is the message from ifelse, right? And this is the message from the conditional operator. Similarly, this. Okay. And in the same way, you can apply the nested ifelse also. Like I am saying that the age is 180 or 250. So that is not the feasible age, right? Or if I give the age is -1, -4. So again, that is not feasible. So what I want, like if props dot age is greater than equal to 18 and less than, suppose the highest limit is 120. So you can use the AND operator, or you can use the nested if also. Okay. And the same thing you can do is you can create the style, right? Suppose over here, let us create one thing. Red is not defined. I need to take it inside the single quotes. Save it. So it is coming red for both the section. You are eligible to vote, not eligible to vote, and you are eligible to vote. What I want, if the person is eligible to vote, change the value of properties to background color green. So over here, let us give yellow green. Save it and let us check. All right. So this is how you can do the things. So same thing you can apply over here also, but here we need to do the changes directly by using the style. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. For your task, please make a program to find the electricity bill of a person in which he will pass his name and the number of units. If the units are greater than 50, then count the bill at the rate of 10 rupees per unit. If less than 50, then count the bill at the rate of 7 rupees per unit. Alright, I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you.